Oh wait, I know what it is. It was seal. I bet it shit was crazy.
Dai.
Places like around the little, yeah, you know. nice. I like it's nice.
Yung nanay ko lang.
It started to tour off downtown. then you go to Taiwan to Pascal as well.
Sorry?
We Taiwan to Pascal.
Oh, yeah.
Abla bu tarafa gel. Bu tarafa wink yap. Gel.
I feel so bad.
I know.
Light's not getting any.
Like that, like All right. Banana.
So funny. Every time we get a run full of love. I cannot control it for 20 minutes.
Everyone can do this. But next one, okay, next one, watch very carefully. Okay, next one. Here we go. Number 3. Hop. Okay, number 4. Hop. Okay, number 5. Hop. Thank you. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, this is harder than you think. Okay, no magnet and no sticky, just boxes. And also, yeah, I'm speaking English. It's very hard one. Okay. All right, move on. Okay, number 6. Oh, thank you. Oh, you very nice. 7, 8. Oh no! Oh, almost missed. Okay, and number. Yeah, thank you. 9. Okay, let's go. Okay, maybe I can make it. Okay, you guys very nice. Okay, so today I try more hard way. So I try getting these boxes more faster. So bam, 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 bam. Okay, without stopping, no stopping. So when I get the last one, everyone clap and cheer and make some noise. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you like karate? Nice. Oh, good. All right. I used to do karate, but not yet. Not now. Okay, anyway. Okay, faster. So when I get the last one, everyone makes some noise. And then grand finale, dangerous circus stand. Right. Here we go. Faster. Hop. Let's go. That's not, oh, it's very bad. Wow. Sorry. I'm so sorry to stop. But it's very hard one. Okay, I try. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Oh, thank you. Thank you for helping again. Thank you. Everyone grab the man. Thank you. And I'm so sorry. My English is very bad. Sorry. Please forget that one. Okay. Oh, I try last one more. But this part is not good. And our music finished. And very quiet people. Oh, hang on. Just leave, give it. Okay. It's my fault. Sorry. Okay, where? Okay, today I try this one. Wait. Making harder. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, it's very hard one. Oh, and I'm very sweaty now. Can you see my sweat? Yeah, I sweat like a horse. Oh yes. Yeah. Okay, last one. Oh, it's very hard. But yes, I'm Japanese. I'm a hard worker, so I can make it. Here we go, last one. Last one. I'm sorry, I'm joking. I try, and grand finale, last one. Yeah, thank you everyone. Okay, now it's time to grand finale. Here we go, grand finale. Why? Okay, I try more higher. Here we go.
Yes, we can.
Thank you for clapping. But too much pressure. I'm joking. Okay, that's what. Yeah, I try. Let's do it. Okay, today I get on this board and I stand up. So when I stand up, my hands free. So I do one more things at the same time. Okay, that's one. Here you go. Okay, that's one. I get on this board and I stand up and I juggle with fire. Wait. Do you understand? Wait. Okay. Just give us a second. Okay. I have a safety way. Okay, which do you wanna see? Danger or safe? Fire or safe?
Fire.
Okay, let me know. Okay, if you wanna see this, make some noise. Oh, snow, huh? Okay. Okay, just in case. Okay, if you wanna see this, make some noise. Okay, risking my life for your entertainment. Yeah. Okay. Now I need to ready fire. Okay, let's go. I said I tried my best today. So I tried this one, the highest and the hardest and the most dangerous. Yeah, for me. Yeah, no, you guys, you guys so say. Okay, but I need to climb a table first. Sorry, just give me a second. This one. Okay, I need to actually towel. And yes, actually, and also I use fire. So just in case, this is fire blanket. So just in case, if I catch fire, please help me. Yeah, no, this is not a joke. Okay, please save my life. Okay, now it's very windy. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, sorry, sir, just give me a second. Okay, I need to climb a table. And I get on this board and I stand up. So when I stand up, pass me. Okay? Please don't throw. No throwing. Okay? So please come closer and stand up. Please stand up next fire blanket. Thank you. And also, yeah, you're very nice. So, and you look very strong. So just in case, if I fall down, yeah, you catch me. Yeah. So fall down, you catch, and then fall in love. Sorry, I'm joking. Yeah, but actually, I have gift for you. Okay, I have a gift for you. But where I got it. I gift for you. Wait. Okay, I got it. Oh, you don't know this one? This is a finger heart. It's very popular in Asian country. It's me. Yeah, I love you. Yeah. Thanks so much. Thank you. Arigato. Alright, okay, let's start the grand finale. But actually, this is very dangerous. And now, oh, wow, many people are watching me. Thanks so much. And now we stop to the footpath. So, everyone more, please come up to the rope and please, yeah, fill the gap. Hello, guys. Yeah, please come up to the rope. If you come closer, behind people can come closer too. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, now, yeah. Footpath is open. Nice, great. Okay, let's do it. And this is very dangerous one, so I want to quickly introduce myself right now. Everyone, thank you so much. My name is Chinne. I'm from Japan. I'm a Japanese street performer. Today, thank you so much for watching my show. ありがとうございました。Thank you. ありがとう。ありがとう it means thank you in Japanese. And yes, and I do this for a living and for traveling around the world with my show. So this is my job. Thank you. Yeah, I love my job. I love street performance, so I choose this one. So after this, I wait here with my hat. So if you like my show and if you enjoyed my show, please give me your money, okay? Also, yeah, love, yeah, please. But yes, this is very dangerous, and I use fire. I will use fire. So I think my show is simple. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. $50 each. Also, I'm joking. Okay. Yeah, honestly, $5 is good donation, and $10 is very good donation, and $20 is amazing. Yeah. And $50 never happened before. I hope today. But please don't just walk away after this. It's okay to only shake hand and say thank you or say arigato. That's fine. So please don't just walk away. And if you don't have cash, don't worry. Yeah, I understand. So yeah, I have a QR code here. Yeah, Japanese advanced technology. Yay! Oh, thank you. Few people excited. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm sorry for talking about money, but this is my life. Yeah. So please don't just walk away. And if you support my show, I'm super happy. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah. Watch your rope. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, just in case. Okay. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. And actually, when you pass me, you can go back your seat. Yeah, you don't need to catch me. Yeah. Actually, your place is very dangerous place. So I try doing by myself. Right. Okay. Oh. Let's go. Okay. I'm ready. So, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, last one. Everyone, are you ready? Hello, everyone. I can see you. I asked everyone. Okay, I need everyone energy. Okay, I tell you, everyone. Okay, okay. Wow, everyone. Yeah, everyone and everyone. Everyone. Okay, last one. Everyone, are you ready? Hey, nice. All right, here we go. Close now.
This is all for you and me. Only night in the blue sky to the love, the sting, the king for the song. It's so good for the
Okay, so first I get on this boat and I stand up and you pass me and last Jago with fire. Okay, now no safety. Okay, let's go. Okay, get up. Thank you. Thank you. Are you not scared? Yeah, I'm scared. It's very windy. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, but yes, I can do it, yes. Let's go. Okay, get on. Wait, and I stand up. Someone stop wind. Okay, last. Thank you so much for helping. And make some noise for this bar. ありがとうございます。Thank you, sir. 本当に助かりました。Okay, last one. Jago with fire. Oh, it's crazy stuff. That's very windy. Okay, but maybe I can't do long time, but I try my best. So when I start juggling, everyone make some noise as soon as possible, please. Oh, I can see wind now. It's windy. Oh, wow, it's very windy. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, okay, let's go. Oh, music finished. Never mind. Okay, let's go. Yes! Yes! I made it, yes! Oh, it's very hot. Oh, I don't know how to get down. Someone please tell me.
Jump.
Oh, wow. Jump. Wait. Okay, if you want to see jumping off, say jump. Okay, come back tomorrow. Okay, no, I try. Big jump and big finale. So if I can jump off, please give me $20. You know, if I fall, I break my leg. And if you just walk away, you break my heart. Up to you. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, it's very hot now. Okay, last one. One more. Give me energy. Say jump. Everyone, louder. Jump. I survived. But wait. One more bonus.
暗闇の中で生まれ
Oh, no one stop me? Okay. Let's eating fire.
消えてしまった小さき星は音も立て 青い空見えない
Very spicy. Thank you so much for watching my show. My name is Chile, and that was my show. And this is my heart, and this is my heart. So please don't just walk away.
StreetPerformance. That's all.
Thank you so much. Thank you everybody so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. ありがとうございます。Thank you so much. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. ありがとう。Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。
Yeah, that's fine. I would just, you can pretty much walk.